Hello, Colin Gillespie from the Renaissance Network. Today, we're going to be talking about onboarding, 6 ways to set up your new hire for success. Number 1, be extremely clear in your expectations. Set your KPIs and expectations up front so that you and your employee are both aligned in what you're aiming for. This helps the new hire to understand the company objectives and gives you the necessary foundation for which to measure performance. Number 2, micromanage for the first 6 months. It may seem counterintuitive, but micromanagement is not bad early on. You need to be hands-on in the beginning, which often requires detailed involvement by a manager. By dedicating the time to be involved in the first months, you save yourself a lot of headaches down the road for both you and the employee. Number 3, focus on feedback. Give your new hires feedback early and often so that they aren't left wondering about how their performance is being perceived. Also, make sure that you're looking for feedback from them in return about what they're missing or struggling with. Don't just assume everything is going great. Number 4, help them get early wins. Early successes are important for building momentum and confidence. So make sure you help them so you can achieve early wins. This will be a significant boost for morale and make a world of difference for long-term success. Number 5, don't spoon feed. While you do want to provide as much support as possible, you don't want to spoon feed everything to them. You need to empower new hires to take responsibility for their own development so they can be fully self-sufficient. Number 6, schedule a refresher. After this initial period of hands-on management, schedule a refresher on the onboarding process to tie up any loose ends and to answer any remaining questions that the employee might have. Some leaders call this reminder management, and strong reflective listening to your new talent at this point could be powerful. Thanks for watching today. Check out the blog link in our description to learn more about ways to set up your new hire for success. As always, feel free to contact us at ren.network.com to help you build your world-class team.